So today we're going to make a rock sling. They're awesome, they're a lot of fun, and you can make it in one string. So the first thing you need to know is the length. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by taking it in our index, pinching it between our index and our middle finger on our left hand. And we're going to measure all the way out to our right shoulder. Okay? So we're going to mark that, pinch it. And then we're going to double that, and that's going to be our length. So we've got our length. Take it in your left index and middle finger. Go to your left shoulder. Pinch that off. Put that to the outside of your hand. We're going to go down to a flat surface. I'll bring you in. Okay, we've got our mark here, so all we're going to do is fold it in. About a hand width is all you need. So once you got that first loop, then we can just keep folding it in. Like so. Okay. Just about like that. Till we've got 3 loops on each side. So let's get that tidied up. So, I'm using tape to illustrate what it should look like. 3 loops on each side. 1 string going that way. 1 string going that way. I would recommend just leaving the tape on, because we need to tie the ends and loop it through. And it's going to hold this nice in place, and it should stay like a netting. So all we want to do, we're going to go under. Just like an overhand knot. But instead of just tightening it up, we're going to come up through those loops. And we're going to cinch that right like that. Okay, then we'll flip it over. We'll do the same thing. Come under. Take this one, go over the middle. This one over that one. Come up through. Cinch it down. Now we've got our netting, and we can take the tape off. So now we've got the tape off. We've got our webbing or netting. It's not perfect, and it doesn't have to be. You're going to notice one side's going to be just a tad longer. That's where we're going to make our loop for our finger. So on the shorter end, we're just going to make a loop and tie it down into a knot. This is going to be the end where we let go. So on the long end here, we're just going to do a slip knot. And I like keeping it on my middle finger. But that's it. It's just a netting and a cord. We're going to let go at the right time, hopefully. Then you're going to let go of one end. Hope and pray it goes in the right direction. Let's see. No idea where it went. This thing is crazy powerful.